Hello, welcome back. If you've been watching our Cookidoo video series, you would have seen my colleague Helen show you how to create a Cookidoo account and search and save recipes. And I've shown you how I meal plan for the week. So if you haven't watched those videos, please make sure you go and check them out. And so now I'm going to jump into how to create your shopping list. So if I just open up Cookidoo, I've got my meal plan here that I created in the last video. And now I'm going to show you how I would add those to a shopping list. So all you need to do is click on each individual recipe and just hit add to shopping list. So we just click through. And you can see that the shopping list is populating on the right there. Once I'm done, I can hit show ingredients, and this is going to bring up a screen that will show you ingredients either by category. So what it's done is really cleverly organized the shopping list into aisles of the supermarket. So you can go through your bakery, your beverages, your cereals and your dried legumes, cold meats, dairy products, fish, etc. So as you're working your way through a grocery store, you can see it's all organized nicely for you. You can also toggle over and click on by recipe. So if you want to know, oh, hang on, what did I need that, brown onion for? You can click over and go, oh yeah, that's cool. It was in the beef tacos, I remember. So I'm going to go by category. And the next step is just to make your way down the list and start checking off things that you already have in your fridge or in your pantry. So I know I've always got some sugar around. I have pepitas as well, chilled water. I don't need to buy that. The water is normally a really easy one to get rid of. Got some flour, quinoa. And so you really just make your way down, ticking things off. Butter. Of course, my oils. I'm fully stocked on that. Dijon mustard, tomato paste. So you can see it's really simple just to check things off as you go. And what you want to do is get down to your shopping list. I'm going to get rid of all the salt, vegetable stock paste, good for that. And so once you make your way through, you'll get down to a list of your shopping list. The other thing you can do is add in additional items. So I know that I'm going to make porridge. So I want to have some oats. And I make that with almond milk and mixed berries as well. And like many households in Australia, we go through bananas daily. So I'm going to add some of those as well. So you can add in any additional items, dishwashing liquid, laundry powder, whatever else you need to add. This is your shopping list that you're working from. And you'll see down here, any items that you've ticked off appear here. So if you're like, oh, actually, I forgot we have run out of olive oil, you can just go in and uncheck it as well. So it doesn't actually get rid of it forever. So once you're happy with that shopping list, you have a few different options on how you can shop from it. So you can simply share the list. And so you can copy this and chuck it in an email or a Word doc if you wanted to email it to somebody else who's in charge of the shopping to make their way through. If you've got the Cookidoo app, so Cookidoo does have an app, so it will also bring up the shopping list there. And you actually can use it as a really workable shopping list where you can go through and tick things off if you're in the shopping centre. That's really handy. What I do is order my ingredients online because I just don't have time at the moment to get to the shops. So I do my menu planning on a Thursday night and then I order all of my ingredients to arrive Sunday morning, ready to start cooking for the week ahead. And we're really lucky we have a connection with Woolworths here in Australia or Countdown if you're in New Zealand where it connects to their online store. So if I click here, it's going to start that connection to Woolworths. And what it's doing is finding, based on the ingredient, based on the quantity of ingredient needed, the closest possible match. You have full control over your shopping list as well. So if you, for example, I put in oats, and so it's bringing up macro organic rolled oats. If you don't have the budget or don't want organic rolled oats, no issues. You can just go in and find a different option. So I know that I go through these. So I'm going to buy bulk and change it to that one. So it's a slightly cheaper option. If you've got a particular brand that you know you like, again, just hit the swap button and you can go through and find it. So I like this particular brand. So I'm going to hit that. And then once you're done, you can just hit add to Woolworths cart and it will take you through to the Woolworths page and you can just complete your shopping there. So that's really easy. So a meal planning and shopping list we've covered. It's only taken a few minutes. If you haven't tried it already, please, please, please go try it. I promise you it will change your life.